Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm that girl Nikki. So today I got some mangoes, so I decided I would make some mango juice. So it's summertime, well, it's about to be summertime and the place is hot. It's also mango season too, so I'm getting a lot of mangoes. So I'm just starting off by peeling my mangoes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and dice them up and get them in the blender. So when making mango juice, guys, you want to use mangoes that are more firm and not so overripe, because what I learned is that the riper the mango is, it's more thicker the juices, and I wasn't going for that. I wanted it to be light and refreshing because it's summer, we're home, the kids are home, you want to have some nice natural juice for them. So here I'm just dicing up the mango as best as possible to get the firmer parts off it. So as you see me going, you'll see what I do next. Alright, so as for the type of mangoes these are that I'm using to make this drink, I'm not sure. However, my favorite type is East Indians. I'm gonna also share some health benefits with you guys of mangoes. So it says mangoes is high in antioxidants. It may boost immunity, it may support heart health, it may improve digestive health, also may support eye health and improve hair and skin. So all in all, mangoes are good for you guys. So here I'm just washed off some ginger and just cutting it up and stripping it to put it in there. That helps to give it a little flavor. Not too much ginger to overpower the taste of the mango, but just enough to make it more flavorful and refreshing for you to drink. So that's what I'm going to do next. Also, if you like, you can also put like oranges in there, or lemon or lime. I'm particularly not going to use any of those in it, but you'll see what I use later on in the video. So here now I have everything cut up and placed in the blender. Also added some water to that, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend. Look at that, guys, the color looks very amazing and refreshing, and it tastes even better. Alright, so I have everything blended out now. I have strained my juice as well, and I've also sweetened it, and this is what I use to sweeten my drinks. So instead of using like lemon and sugar to sweeten it, I just use the lemon flavor tang, and it gives it the nice lemon flavor, helps it to be very tasty and refreshing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour me a glass. It was awesome. My daughter actually enjoyed it, and she doesn't really like eating mangoes, so I know it was good. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my video, and see you next time. Bye.